Hello, you are highly welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm about to show you that fresh banner can be used in picture framing. Stay tuned to learn. This is printed fresh banner. As you can see, they are printed, they are up to 5 here. So after printing, I cut them. I divided them with scissors to be separated. Okay. That's because I fast forward this video. I know that scissors is very hard to use on fresh banner. It's very stressful. Just stay tuned. I'm done cutting them. I'm about to frame. I'm now applying gum, a full stick gum, or a sew stick, any of them. After applying gum, you place the printed banner. This is image, of course, not human pictures, okay? Just like a wallpaper, or what is called is image pictures. So as you can see, I'm using cutter instead of scissors because it's very hard to use. I'm about to place the edge tape. So I first of all measure it. I measure half of the frame because I will divide the tape into two. So unroll it backward for it to be straight. I apply gum. I keep it for air to touch the areas, then apply gum on the edges of the board. That's what I'm doing right now. Sorry, my cameraman is not focused. Assuming it's focused with the camera, you would have seen exactly how the gum was applied by avoiding the pictures to touch the avoiding the gum to touch the pictures. Okay, I mean, like after, yeah, as you can see, I'm using my hand to clean the places. After applying gum, use your hand or clothes, clean where gum touches the pictures. Let it touch only the edges. I'm now placing the edge tape. And then use stick or any wood. Either I use this wood or clothes to apply pressure for the tape to be well attached to the edges of the board. You can see I'm dividing it with scissors. You see how I divided it into two. Then use half of it to complete the remaining half. That's why I have to measure the half of the board at first. Then apply gum because I will divide the tape into two. You can see how I'm using scissors to cut it. After that, I'll use sandpaper to smooth everything. Just keep watching. Please don't forget to like and share to others for them to learn. Thanks so much.